Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to the channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. For today's video, we are going to make Yakhni Pulao. It's a very simple pulao and tastes great. Thought I'll share it with you guys over here. So let's get started. Today, I am going to be cooking a kilo of chicken. So let's do the prep work for that. Grab a kilo of onions, cut them in slices and keep them aside as I've done here. Next up, let's take ginger and garlic in equal quantities and grind them to a coarse paste. We need about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste for this recipe. Today's recipe will serve 5 to 6 people easily. And this is one of those dishes that we prepare when we have guests over or if we feel like making something special for ourselves. Okay, our 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste is ready. Let's grab our chicken. We're gonna cook, as I said earlier, 1 kilo of chicken. Grab the chicken pieces, wash them, and put 1 deep slit in the center. Eight to 10 bay leaves, about a teaspoon of black peppercorns, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 10 clove buds, 7 to 8 white cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg powder, 1 long stick of cinnamon. Now let's take a tablespoon of coriander seeds. We will pound these coriander seeds into a coarsely ground powder. Add some oil to cover the bottom of your sauce pot. Make sure you take a sauce pot that is deep. Keep the flame on medium, and while the oil is getting hot, let's go ahead and measure out about a kilo of rice. This kilo of rice, we're going to wash it well and soak it in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we will strain the water. Our oil is hot, so let's go ahead and add our spice mixture and fry it for a few minutes. Remember to save a portion of your black peppercorns, some cloves, a half of the cinnamon stick, then a few bay leaves, and of course a little bit of your fennel seeds for later. Now let's add our onions and fry them until they're soft and transparent before we add our ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, give it a good stir. Now let's add our ginger garlic paste. Let's slowly add our chicken pieces. Let's add about 300 ml of water to our chicken. I will add about half of our ground coriander seeds powder to our chicken now. Give it a stir. Let's take a quick look at how we're doing there. Looks good. In the meantime, get about a cup of yogurt ready to be added to the chicken. In my tablespoons measurement, I took about 6 full tablespoons of yogurt. Let it cook for some time with the lid on, and then we will open and check to see if our chicken is ready. If our chicken is about 80 to 90% cooked, we're going to remove these pieces and keep them aside. Now let's strain our broth. This broth is called yakhni. We will measure how much yakhni we have, so make sure you have a measuring cup ready. We have 600 ml of yakhni today. Let's grab the same pot again, add a little bit of oil, wait for it to get hot. Now we can add all the spices that we saved and kept. Wait for the spice mixture to cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we can add our chicken pieces. Add the second part of the coriander powder now. Let's add our rice. Set it a little bit. Now the yakhni itself. For a kilo of rice, we will add 1500 ml of water. My yakhni is 600 ml, so I will go ahead and add 900 ml of water. Once we have all our ingredients in the sauce pot, we will give it a good stir to make sure our rice is well mixed in. Then we put the lid on and cook for a few minutes. Again, remove the lid and see if our salt and our chili powder is correct. It's a great time to check for taste. Stir a little bit to make sure our salt and chili powder are mixed in well. Here I've taken out a few morsels of rice to gauge how long I need to cook this rice for. Usually 20 to 23 minutes is good amount of time. Now we'll move on to the 3 very important steps. First step is cooking with the lid on for about 5 minutes on high heat. Then remove the lid and check how the rice is coming along, and you will stir from the sides only and make sure you stir it very gently. You don't want to break the rice morsels. Next up, again put the lid on and cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After that, remove the lid and check to see how much water is there. Now that I know it, I'm going to put a towel on top, cover it again, and this time I will set it to low and cook for about half an hour on 2 with a heavy weight on. Pick something heavy and place it on top like I've done here. Here I'm making a very simple side dish to go with this rice, which is chopping up some tomatoes into small pieces. To this, I will add a generous amount of yogurt and then about half a teaspoon of garam masala, a quarter to half a teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix it up well. This is what we use to eat with this rice. So about half an hour later, and it's all cooled down, let's do a quick reveal. How has it come? I think it's come out great. Let me serve it up and show you. There you have it. Our very delicious Yakhni Pulao is ready for us to eat. If you like this video, give it a like and definitely share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel to catch me in my future videos. I'll see you soon with my next video post. Take care. Bye-bye.